Good morning, friends. Today we're going to do a little bit of painting. And this is a different kind of painting. It's called Q-tip painting because we use Q-tips. And it's a really good way for us to practice using fine motor because we're going to hold the Q-tip just like we do a pencil. And also we say hand-eye coordination because you have to be able to really follow along the lines in the picture to make this painting. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to have some paint. It might not look exactly like mine, but you'll have some little containers of paint, and you only need just a teeny dot of paint, whatever color you decided. I decided to do yellow. Look how small that is. And I decided to do blue. Hopefully this blue comes out really well for me. Yep, that's all I need, just that. And I really don't need more than 2 or 3 Q-tips for this whole paper, because we can use the Q-tip ends over and over again. So I'm going to start, these are scissors, and what I do is I just put a little bit of paint on the end of my Q-tip like this, and I start to dot. It's almost like using a pokey pin, but you're using a Q-tip instead. And we're going to follow the dots. Dot, I make it very carefully. Dot, dot, looks like I need a little bit more paint. Dot, dot, dot. You'll notice the Q-tip dots are a little bit bigger than the dots on the page, and that's okay. We're just following the dots on the page. Dot, dot, a little bit more paint. Dot, dot, dot. Okay, here's the thing. You are not painting lines with these Q-tips. You're just dotting with them. So make sure you don't paint lines. And you also don't go dot, 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 dot. We don't do that because we want to be very careful. See, my dots were on top of each other there. I don't want that. I want them to be very careful, not touching. I mean, they're touching each other, but they're not on top of each other. Now, what happens if I want to change colors? Do I need to get a new Q-tip? Nope. Look, I've got this end. I can use this end for the yellow. So I just take that and I flip it around, and now I'm going to use yellow. I got a little bit on my hand. Is that a big deal? Nope. No big deal. It wipes right off. Now I'm going to use yellow. Dot, 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 dot. And I'm going to dot my entire picture. You can choose one of your Q-tip dot papers and do your picture today. Just one. We want to save some for later because we're going to do this a lot. So you save one, do one today. When it's all dried out and it's completed, I want you to take a picture or video and send it to your teacher. I think they're going to be really impressed at how well you can do Q-tip painting. Take care of your Q-tips when you're done. Throw the ones away that are used, but keep the ones that are not used so we can have them for later. Also, clean out your tray and make sure that the tops on your paint are tight so they don't dry out. Have some fun with Q-tips today.